Hello, my name is Lisa Warner, and I'm here to present to you about a closer look at school choice for families for the middle school year of 2021 to 2022. My name is Lisa Warner, and I'm the school counselor and school choice liaison at Curtis Bay Elementary School. I'm excited to guide you through the middle school choice process and help you find the best fit for your child. I will be holding group and individual information sessions over the next couple of months. Today, this is an overview of the school choice process. Please feel free to contact me with any questions. My email is lwarner@bcps.k12.md.us, or feel free to call at 240-801-6526. The goals and objectives of this is that by the end of this session, families will understand the process and procedures for participating in the choice process. They'll recognize the academic and career programming available at our choice schools, and they'll know what resources are available to help you navigate the choice process. What is middle school choice? Middle school choice is how students in grade 5 in Baltimore City are assigned to middle school. We're going to start with looking at your options. What middle schools would be the best fit for you? Should you stay in your current school or move? Curtis Bay Elementary ends at grade 5, so all students will be making a choice for grade 6. You're going to learn about what your school options are. And after researching them, you'll make a list of the schools that you are the most interested in and you're also eligible to attend. We'll learn more about that in the coming session and over the next couple of months. School choice overview. I'll also be sending out this PowerPoint so that you can have access to it. And if you want, you are able to click on the school choice and it will give you the information from last year's school choice process. There's been some changes and this year's school choice is coming soon, so just use this as a guide. What factors go into a student's choice? You can look at the academic and career programming. You can look at extracurricular activities, friends and family, the location of the school, and also the entrance qualifications. Again, we'll look into a little bit more about these programs as the sessions go on. Here are the different middle school choice programs that you get to choose from. Middle school choice includes the Ingenuity Project, more on that in a minute, traditional middle schools, which are just grades 6 through 8, traditional middle high schools, which are grades 6 through 12, advanced academics and honors schools, with more information to come, charter schools, with more information to come, and then the traditional elementary and middle schools, grades K through 8. Many of the students that attend Curtis Bay Elementary School will go into the feeder school, Baybrook Elementary Middle School. But I want you to learn about the other choices that you have. The Ingenuity Project is an accelerated program that emphasizes inquiry, investigation, strong work habits, and a deep understanding of science, technology, engineering, and math, known as STEM concepts. It is offered at the schools listed below and requires a separate application and process. You can see www.ingenuityproject.org for more information. The schools that offer this program are Hamilton Elementary Middle School, James McHenry Elementary Middle School, Mount Royal Elementary Middle School, and Roland Park Elementary Middle School. Another set of schools offer advanced academics. These are entrance criteria schools. These schools have minimum requirements in order for a student to attend. This year, the criteria is based on student grades during their entire 4th grade year and the first quarter of their 5th grade year. Students who are accepted into advanced academics will be grouped together for honors courses at these schools: Cross Country Elementary Middle School, Francis Scott Key Elementary Middle School, Mount Royal Elementary Middle School, Roland Park Elementary Middle School, and Waverly Elementary Middle School. There are also charter schools. These charter schools conduct their own lotteries to admit students. Contact the schools for more information about the school and the application forms. There's the Baltimore Collegiate School for Boys, all boys, the Baltimore International Academy West, Baltimore Leadership School for Young Women, all girls, the Crossroads School, Green Street Academy, and Lily Mae Carroll Jackson School, all girls. Also, the choice timeline. These are the things we start to think about now. November through December, schools will hold virtual open houses and shadow days. And the school choice liaison, which is myself, will hold group and individual school choice meetings. In late November, the choice guide and the applications will be distributed to schools, and I will let you know about how to access those. And on December 4th, there will start the virtual school choice fair launches, where you'll be able to do some tours at the schools and learn more about each program that's offered. During this time, we will also be having the individual school meetings where we can talk through the different school options for your child and also go over how to do the applications. And on January 22nd, the choice applications are due. Then on March 5th, students will begin to receive their placement letters, and the second round of the choice process begins. We'll learn more about that process as we get closer to those dates. And what are the next steps? Many of you have already signed up for the parent portal, but if you've not done that, that is an important first step since that's where the application process will take place. It's also a good time to research the school options and then set up an appointment with myself, Ms. Warner, so that we can go over the best options for your family. You are welcome to contact me to make that appointment, or I will be sending out a way to make those appointments in the coming months. This is where you can access, again, I'm sending out this PowerPoint, but when you click on this campus portal link, it will help you create an account if you do not already have one. You'll just follow the steps. And here is where you can research the school options. Many of the choices are listed in this school choice guide that I talked about earlier, but you can also go to the website listed here, www.baltimorecityschools.org/schools, and you can look about each school. And they have an online profile that includes contact information, programs, achievement data, pictures, and more. Then the last question is, who can help me navigate the choice process? Ms. Warner, that's me, is your school choice liaison. And on the left here is my email and phone number. Please feel free to call me with any questions that you may have. Any other comments or questions, your answers may be at the baltimorecityschools.org, or there's two other options for individuals you can contact if you have more questions. But please start with me, as I am very excited to help you with this process. Thank you very much. This will also be offered in live format where I'll be able to answer questions, but I wanted it to be available to you now. Shortly, I will be sending out information as the schools provide it to me about possible tours and information sessions that they will be holding. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation, and do not hesitate to call or email if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.